Hello and welcome to Florida. Thank you for booking with us. We are delighted to host you. Here is a quick guide on how to use the Jeep Wrangler.
Underneath the wheel is your adjustment wheel, up and down. Okay. We also have installed an iPhone charger for you so that you can use Bluetooth on as this cart, and you must connect it before you start driving. Right here, you're going to hit the settings button. From the settings button, you're going to wait until the Bluetooth pops up right here. Click on there. Next, you're going to hit connection. There we go. All right, with connections, you'll have a couple. You could delete them all if it makes it easier for you. All right, but once you do that, hit the search button right here. Okay, now, with the search button, your phone should be popped up. All right, once it pops up, you hit the cancel. Jermaine's iPhone passcode will come through. Just hit close and click it one more time, and it should give you a number to connect your Bluetooth to. There we go. Pair. And now I'm connected to the Bluetooth. That's an easy step from there. As of right now, with this Jeep, that is all that you need to know. And I thank you for once again renting out for France and Jermaine.